Start na tayo. Okay. Now, recorded na natin. Gusto ko folder na stick. So, math natin ito, midterm. And what we're going to do is, ano ba gawin natin? Hindi ko matibigyan yung mga form 5 nyo. I-inspect ko lang sila next Monday. And then, ang araw-araw yung pasok natin, Monday to Friday, dapat talaga MB 3 to 8 tayo, ilipat tayo ng 120. So, dapat sabihin ko sana na pwede 7:30 tayo magsimula. However, hindi pwede. Kasi may next class. So, we will meet here every day. Tapos, most of you might have heard na every Friday or every weekend an exam. So, 5 exams, no? Well, we will not have 5 exams, but we will have, wala tayo, hindi tayo every Friday exam, but every day ang exam natin. Basically, quizzes tayo. Every day, quizzes. So, magiging ano natin, criteria natin is quiz, mga 25 plus quizzes, and then finals. Yun lang tayo. Parang ma-force talaga kayo mag-aral so hindi mo mamaya. Okay? What else? So, yun tayo. Quizzes lang tayo every day. So, our first quiz will be tomorrow. Now, meron tayong friendly camera dyan. Kasi, medyo mabilis ang ano natin, summer. So, in case that mabilisan tayo sa lesson natin, what you can do is, kasi sinubukan ko mag-upload kanina sa YouTube. Sinubukan ko mag-upload ng isang 1-hour video. However, yung first 26 minutes pala, 6 hours na agad siya sa YouTube. Yung uploading time niya. So, imagine yung nagpapatutulog ako ng 10-hour relaxation song para lang mag-sleep yung laptop. Tapos parang sleep yung mamamatay yung Wi-Fi, wala, titigil yung uploading. So, in case na ganyan, ang pwede yung gawin, kung mabilis yung lesson natin, pwede kayong, magdala lang kayo ng ano, kasi ang isang episode natin, or basically isang class natin, 15 gigabytes to. Itong class natin to, 15 gigabytes. So, kung hihiram kayo, I'll try to upload it to YouTube as lahat ng power na kaya ko. Imagine, 3 oras na ano yun. Saka kayo rin, marathon ang tawag doon. So, kung meron kayong one episode lang yun 15 gigabytes. Yun yung buong SEM natin. So, kung meron kayo, you can, pwedeng hiramin sa akin. Kasi mas mabilis 40 minutes lang mag-transfer from file to a USB. Kaysa i-upload ko sa YouTube na tikiring mga mata ninyo. Kakalimutan ko. Sabihin, so nasa na po yung ano natin, yung lecture. So, kung mabilisan lang kayo, you can use them. Okay? So, we'll start now yung syllabus natin next time. So, again, quizzes lang tayo, tsaka final exam. And mas malaki ang ano natin mas malaki ang ibibigay kong bearing sa quizzes kaysa sa finals. Okay? So, mag-aaral sa quizzes talaga. Okay, so, this is class 15. Class ng 11:30. Sino may class ng 11:30? Ito ba si Nicolo? Ikaw si Nicolo? Ang 11:30 class kayo? Kasi i-request ko sana. Nasa 8 to 8 tayo. I-request ko sana. Wait lang, ito ba talaga ang class ko? Hindi ko nang tinong eh. I-request ko sana kung pwede ba 9 o'clock. Okay lang. At saka kaya pala tayo may video cam din kasi June, July ito, alam niyo namin June, July, puro bagyo. So in case na madaanan tayo ng bagyo, i-email ko na lang kayo minsan na class, nasa YouTube na lang lesson. Tsaka sa YouTube, at least meron kayong chance na i-slow down niyo yung video para mapanood. Okay? O ba? Kaya tayo Mrs. Everyday kasi malamang sa inyo, pag naka-upload yan, baka kausap ko na lang dito, bulto na lang. Okay? Hindi na kayo pumasok para papanorin nyo na lang kung saan. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday. So, I'm your instructor. My name is Gregory Winter. Just call me Gregory. First name is Stato. So, para matanggal natin yung barrier. Just think of this way na ahead lang ako sa inyo na sometime, some period of time, kaya natutunan ko lang to. So, you can just address me by first name. And then, just call me Gregory. Wala naman sir. Okay, references. GC7, Nubitaipol, ito yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. And then, if you want something rigorous, calculus, early transcendentals by Anton, Evans, and Davis. And then, mathematically molded by the institute. Now, this one here, parang ano to easy, average, difficult. Yung mga exercises dito madali, and then dito may hear yung mga exercises. Maganda mag-warm up kayo using this one before using this one. So, I will give your first sample exam later on, yung first exam, para makita niyo kung ano yung first quiz natin bukas. Okay? So let's now start with our lesson. So, mag-recall muna tayo ng mga concepts galing Math 7. of t. So let's have the following concepts again recalled from Math 17. Salamat. Okay. Let's recall the concept of absolute value of our real number. So let x be a set of real numbers, or x, subset lang siya ng set of real numbers. Then the notation x is an element of capital X, means x belongs to capital X. On the other hand, yung notation natin na x, yung may slash yung element sign, it means that x does not belong to the set capital X. Now, if we have two real numbers a and b such that a is less than b, then we have the following notation. And for equality, close bracket or square bracket a, comma b, square bracket, ibig sabihin na, it's the set of all real numbers such that x is greater than or equal to a, but less than or equal to b. On the other hand, kung parenthesis a, comma b parenthesis is equal to the set of all real numbers such that x is strictly greater than a and strictly less than b. Now we can combine these symbols here. Square bracket a, close b parenthesis is equal to the set of all real numbers such that x is greater than or equal to a but strictly less than b. So ibig sabihin, kung meron tayong ganitong notation, ibig sabihin lang, x is strictly greater than a but greater than or equal to b. Now, yung real numbers naman, this also equal to, this is from negative infinity to infinity. Open yung both endpoints. Now, let's have the following definition. Let x be a real number. Let the square root of x squared, this is, ano to? Hindi makakancel yung square root tsaka yung square. Instead, this one is equal to the absolute value of x. So this one is equal to, this is x if x is greater than or equal to 0. On the other hand, ito yung negative x if x is less than 0. Now, the reason kung bakit absolute value of x to, dahil, remember, di ba, equal nito, illustration lang. Bakit absolute value of x ang absolute value of x siya equal? Remember na if you have this one, negative 1 square root, saan ito equal? Ito equal sa, well, negative 1 square is, this one would be 1. Square root of 1 would be 1. On the other hand, equal din to, pwede mo na unahin yung square root before you square. So you will have here, square root of negative 1, tapos square. And then alam natin na ang makukuha mo dito ay, this one would be I. Tapos I square. But what is I square? That would be negative 1. Pero alam natin, di ba equal ng itong dalawang to? What happened here? Itong dalawa ay hindi equal. Pero these two here are equal. So may equal dito, tas not equal. So to avoid this kind of problem here, ang ginawa na lang nila, square root of x squared should be equal to absolute value of x. Okay, let's have the following properties. let's have the following properties of the absolute value. Recall again. The absolute value of x is less than or equal to a real number a. This symbol, ang basa natin dito, if and only if. If and only if x is between x is strictly greater than or equal to negative a, but strictly less than or equal to a, provided that a here would be taken to be a positive number. Positive dapat siya kasi remember, di ba, you can think of the absolute value, yun yung distance. So, wala naman tayong distansya na negative. So, kaya dapat positive number yan. Now, for this one here, absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 8 if and only if x is greater than or equal to 8 or x is less than or equal to negative 8. Now, in light of this equivalence here, etong isang to, we can also say that x is x is greater than or equal to negative 8 and x is less than or equal to 8 para na makita niyo yung comparison ng dalawa. Now, we have this one, we call this one the triangle inequality. Absolute value of x plus y is less than or equal to the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y. Pwede yung isipin na ito yung hypotenuse, ito yung dalawang legs. So parang, mas mabilis, kung gusto nyo makarating agad sa destination ninyo, mas mabilis maglakad sa hypotenuse kaysa maglalakad kayo sa leg plus another leg. Okay? So, equality holds if and only if, pareho lang to, if and only if x and y have the same sign. Similarly, this is another variant of the triangle inequality. Absolute value of x minus y, yung plus, ginawa namang minus, less than or equal to the absolute value of the absolute value of x minus the absolute value of y. Now, equality holds if and only if x and y have the same sign. Hindi natin pupuntahan yung proofs ng dalawang to. Madederive sila galing dito, pero mabusisi nga lang yung pagkakaderivate, yung pagkakader. You can actually Google it. Any questions so far? Medyo maaga tayo, so isang pa kayo. Magkaka-break tayo. Siyempre, i-break tayo dito. Graphical illustration ng doon, ang tinutukoy ng absolute value ulit. If this is the point A sa number line natin, point A, ibig sabihin, ang distance na to ay absolute value of A, yung distance niya. On the other hand, kung si A naman ay negative, nandito siya. So, i-label natin ito as point of A din. Ganun din, ang distance niya rin ay absolute value of. So yun na talaga ang ibig sabihin. It's the distance from the origin. Now, if you have 2 points, point A and point B, ang distance niya ay Now, another reason ba tayo nag-video kasi most of the time, yung from my experience as a student, kadalasan yung mga sinasabi ng teacher, yun yung mga lumalabas kasi hindi na isusulat sa blackboard. Yun yung explanation na hindi siya isusulat. So, at least kung mas hindi parang na-skip yun, yun pala yung explanation. Okay? Now, let's have this fifth one and sixth one. Kung meron tayong addition sa subtraction, we'll have multiplication and division. The absolute value of x times y is equal to absolute value of x times absolute value of y. And then, the absolute value of the quotient of x and y is equal to the quotient of the absolute values, where provided that y should not be equal to 0. Okay, halimbawa. Let's have this one. Absolute value of x squared minus 7x plus 12 is greater than 0. Ano ibig sabihin daw nito? It's either, ibig sabihin na, x squared minus 7x plus 12 is greater than 0. Or, yung negative na lang. O yung negative ng 0. Pero ano ang negative ng 0? It is 0. So, x squared minus 7x plus 12 is less than 0. Now, paano sinasagutan itong isang to? X squared minus 7x plus 12? Well, first, tina-factor natin yan. Ang factor nito ay x minus 3 times tsaka x minus 4. And then, anong gagawin dito? I-consider natin itong factor na to to be equal to 0. So we will get the critical numbers. At ang critical numbers ay 3 and 4. After yan, mag-table tayo. So, nandito yung 3, nandito yung 4. So, x minus 3, x minus 4. If we choose a number less than 3, let's say 0, ito ay negative, ito ay negative. Between 3 and 4, let's choose 3.5. This one is negative, this one, sorry, this is positive, this is negative. Dito naman, let's choose 5. This is positive. This is positive. So if we multiply, we get here positive. Dito, negative. This one is positive. Pero what do we want? We want it to be positive. We want this one. Okay, so para dito, this one, this implies that ang solution set natin para sa isang It's from negative infinity to 3. Is 3 included? Hindi. Otherwise, magiging equal to 0. Union from 4 to positive infinity. 4 also not included. Otherwise, magsi-0 dito. At hindi pwede mag-0. Para dito naman, we will get the same critical numbers. Kasi ito lang yon. Ang mangyayari nga lang, less than 0. Pero ano pipiliin natin this time? It would be yung dito lang sa baba. So, ang magiging solution set lang natin dito ay it's from 3 to 4. So, ano ang final solution set natin? Kukunin natin yung ang OR ay nagko-correspond sa union. So, the solution set would be solution set 1, union, solution set 2. Pero ano lang yun? This one, union, this one here. Ano siya? Lahat, all real numbers. Pero ano hindi kasama? Except 3 and 4. Okay? Let's have this one. X squared, the absolute value of x squared plus 4x plus 9 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to the absolute value of x squared plus 4x plus 9 plus, nakahiwalay, absolute value of 2x minus 3. Now, ang tanong, at which values of x, kung anong mga real number lang, magiging equal to dalawang to. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. Saan yun? Ito yung kamukha niya. So, ibig sabihin, for this one here, ang sigurado tayo, this is less than or equal to the absolute value of x squared plus 4x plus 9 plus 2x minus 8. Okay. Pero ano sinabi dito? Ang inequality ang meron tayo, pero equality. Kailan daw nag-hold ang equality? If and only if they have the same sign. Okay? So, they have the same sign. So, ibig sabihin ito, tsaka ito, dapat they're both positive or they're both negative. Now, what can we say about x squared plus 4x plus 9? Ano ang x squared? This is, well, hindi siya positive lang. This is non-negative. Okay? Non-negative. Tapos, pag nag-add ka ng 9, this one would be, so pag nag-add ka ng 9, itong dalawang to magiging positive na. So, positive. So, if this is positive, tapos, meron ka dito. Now, this one can be negative kung ano yung plug ng number dito sa x. However, may absolute value tayo. So, this entire thing would be positive. Dahil sa absolute value. So, kung gusto mo maging positive, so, kung ito positive, dapat ano daw to? Para maging equality, same sign sila. So, ang sign ng isang to ay positive. So, dapat itong isang to ay it must also be positive. So, kung magiging positive to, it must also be positive. So, ibig sabihin, this implies that dapat ang 2x minus 3i greater than 0. So, dapat si xi, so 2x is greater than 3, x should be greater than 3 halves. So, anong solution set natin ngayon? Solution set is, the solution set is equal to, so mas malaki sa 3 halves. So, 3 halves hanggang positive infinity. Is 3 halves included? Hindi. So, we have this solution set. Okay, medyo iba na yung style ng ano natin, no? Solution natin. Hindi na siya yung tulad dito na very computational. Dito medyo nag-argument na natin. Okay. Let's have, para masanay tayo sa argument na yan, let's have this, that's one of us. Okay, that's one.